We are moving from one level of total experience to another. We are moving from one level of power to another as unto the Lord. Do you understand? So now, don't talk negativism. Negativism is not your style. It's not your style. As we are the becomers of the world, that's not us. I thank you for the glory of your word in my life. Because the word of God is a lamp unto our feet and a light unto our path. Oh yes. Never speak negativism in your life. Never. Never, ever, ever. Never say, I cannot do it. Never say it. Never say it, I cannot do it. Because for by thy words thou shalt be justified. And for by thy words thou shalt be condemned. So never say, I cannot do it. You rather speak like Paul. Paul said, I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Never say it. Now, coming back to your question, negativity is something for the world. It's not for the Christians. It's not for the believers. It's not for the becomers of the word. We, as the becomers of the word, we speak positive always. Do you understand? We speak positive always. You see, the Bible actually records that death and life are in the power of tongue. You see, when you speak death, you vaccinating your spirit. When you speak negativity, you destroying your future. Do you understand? Never speak negativism in your life.